The construction of Arua Airfield into an international airport is financed 80% by UK Export Finance and 15% by Commercial Source Standard Chartered Bank. The value of the contract is 309.1 million euros, of which 264.1 million euros is for construction of the airfield into an international airport. Build, operate and transfer model is used to finance large projects, typical infrastructure projects developed through public-private partnership. Minister Katumba also revealed that the MOU was signed after the approval by the Solicitor General, and Miss East of Eden is to undertake the feasibility study. The move to develop Arua Airfield into an international airport has been welcomed by the leaders in Arua City.
Arua Airfield being upgraded, we would like such initiatives to come. It needs to be upgraded so that the youths of Arua in West Nile in particular are employed.
We are saying we want the airfield to be upgraded to an airport. Maybe those things will be put in place. These are our expectations. So we will focus mostly on the development, because of course if the roads are good, if the airport is there, if the power is there, other things will be easy.
The mayor Arua City Wadisam Nyakwa said we are desperately in need of the facility, and this will provide several benefits and boost the economy of West Nile region.
We had a meeting with the investors from east of Eden. They came to make an assessment of the airport. They want to invest in upgrading the airport, and we welcomed them. As you know, we are desperately in need of the development of that facility. We needed it yesterday. So we are enthusiastic because the development of this airport will come with so many benefits. One, it will boost the economy of this place. Even the flight, air transport to Dubai, to London, to other places outside Africa will be easier from here. It is a shortcut. What is important is these things should be done, and we handle it.
The Land Committee Chairman Arua City Bernard Atiku, who is also the former Member of Parliament for Aivu County, commends government for finally finding funding source for the airport upgrade. He said it has been 2 decades for the government to fix the construction of Arua Airfield into an international airport.
So I think instead of the airport remaining in the state in which it has been for decades, it's better the airport is developed and utilized. In any case, somebody is supposed to benefit from that investment. We have seen situations where government has built airports but outsourced its operations or management. So if the same can also be done for management of international airport infrastructure, so be it. So for us as leaders, we welcome it because we know the benefit of having an international airport in terms of creating jobs, in terms of creating opportunities for exporting our products to international market, in terms of even easing the transport cost or the cost of doing business. So this airport is going to be a catalyst in the development adventures of this region.
The former legislator said the airport in Arua is long overdue, and this will reduce the rate of unemployment and improve household income and provide market for the people. Atiku is optimistic that the investor will ensure quality work done based on the build, operate and transfer model.
Our people have a lot of things that they can put into international market. You know, Simsim, the best Simsim in the region, I mean in the country, comes from West Nile. The best honey in the world comes from West Nile. So our people can actually export honey, our people can export Simsim and other products, our people can even undertake fattening, beef, processing of beef and export to the world. Our people can undertake the service industry. Accessing Murchison National Park from West Nile is shorter than somebody landing in Entebbe and then come to Murchison National Park. If somebody lands in Arua, accesses Murchison National Park, and then he can access other national parks, and then exit through Entebbe. Or somebody can land in Entebbe, come and exit through Arua. So the airport in Arua is long overdue, and I'm very sure once it is completed, it will create job opportunities. The rate of unemployment in our region will go down, and the economy of this region will grow. Our people will have their household income will improve. The people who will be traveling into the region will give market for our people, because they will come here to eat. They will come here for leisure, and that will employ our people. The transport, the road transport will also benefit, because once people have landed, they have to go to different destinations, either in the region or from wherever they have come to board the aeroplanes to the different destinations. So people will be employed across all the sectors.
In July 2009, Civil Aviation Authority that owns and operates Arua Airfield publicly announced that it had started to upgrade the airport to international standards. The plans included a modern airport terminal with capacity for 200 passengers, paving the runway, widening it to 45 meters, about 148 feet, and extending it to 2.5 kilometers, about 8,200 feet. However, these plans were delayed because of compensation process. In 2016, government released the ceiling 6.5 billion to compensate people, but about 5 people complained to government of undervaluation of their properties, whose concerns have been considered. Arua Airfield is the second busiest domestic airport in the country after Entebbe, with a monthly average of 180 air traffic movements. A report compiled by Robert Ariaka for the news.